So when you first open this kit, the first thing I notice is these tires. I mean, they are very, very big. Just open them right here. Take a look at these tires. I mean, right here, as you can see in the background, I took a tire off the X-Max. And I mean, obviously the X-Max has gigantic tires, but these are a lot bigger than I expected. These tires right here. And got a lot of give to them also. Of course, you got that new Traxxas smell. You also get, with the Unassembled kit, a clear body, which is pretty cool. I mean, I don't have any RC paint. I don't think spray paint will really work, so I guess I'll have to buy some, but that's pretty cool. You get a clear body, and again, if you want to compare it to the X-Max body, I've got it right here. You can see that the X-Max one is obviously a lot bigger. But again, it's not as small as I would have expected. I mean, I had a Slash before I had the X-Max, a Slash 4x4, and I thought the Stampede body would be a lot smaller, but it's actually not that small. It's pretty cool. Another thing you got is the motor right here, the brush motor. I may upgrade this to a brushless motor in the future, a brushless system, but for now, I think this will do. We've also got this, which is pretty cool. I mean, you got all your electronics here except for the motor. The standard controller, which, of course, if you bring the TQI, it's the same thing, just doesn't have the link enabled, which is right there in the back. But we got that. We got the receiver right here, which goes into the receiver box. That's pretty cool. I've never seen one outside of a receiver box. The standard servo, and then the XL5 ESC, which I will be running this power cell NIM battery in. I didn't think it was worth it to get a 2-cell, because if I do eventually upgrade this to a brushless, I already have 3S batteries that I run in the X-Max, so just go ahead and open this real quick. It's just standard hump 7-cell 8.4 volt power cell battery. Then we've got the chassis assembly right here, which has the chassis, the battery holder in it, and just a bunch of other components that go in this area. There's some silicone grease, which I'm pretty sure is to seal up the receiver box, which is in there. Yeah, and then you can see that's where the center drive shaft goes. This is a 4x4 model. Yeah, that's the chassis. And then also we've got a rear bulkhead bag. So this just holds the differential and the rear components. Also, I believe the A-arms are in there. So that's pretty cool. And also the front bulkhead bag. All the same parts. You got the bearings in there, and the front bulkhead, all those A-arms and everything else. The steering linkage, I believe. Yep, the steering bag. Right here, servo horn and everything. That's pretty cool. And the shocks, which at first I was kind of curious because they seem to be pre-assembled, but they don't have the shock oil in them, so I guess we have to take them apart and put that in them. And also they come with spacers and stuff like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool right there. Got the springs in there. Then we also have the body mounts bag, so I guess this is just where the body mounts up to the rest of the car, the chassis. There's bearings in here. Oh, this is the differentials. So you've got the front and rear differentials in there, and also the oil that goes in the differentials, the fluid, right in there. As you can see, they're all metal gears in there. Traxxas, pretty tough. These are hex nuts for the wheels. And then right here, this is interesting. It has a center plastic drive shaft. I've never seen that before. The Slash that I had a metal one, but I'm sure brush power is not going to do anything to that. And then the pinion gear right there, or spur gear, sorry. And then these are just some accessories I got with it, which this is tire glue. I'm honestly not sure why. I'm not sure why it didn't come with this, but at the same time, the tires are already made, so I'm not sure why it has it. I guess they're not glued on, but I mean, I feel like if you need this, it should come with it, but it said on the website that you needed it, so I bought it with it. And also body clips. My God, I hate body clips. The X-Max is such a luxury to have that body clipless system with the Slash. For pretty much like the last year that I owned it, I ran it with 2 body clips because I just lost all of them. So I had to get extras just in case. And then finally, we've got the manual bag with the stickers, the instructions, and then just accessories that you would get with a normal model. Another battery holder, the shock spacers, and extra body clips, which are needed, obviously. And then some more tools, which for this build, I'll be using this Traxxas toolkit that I bought with my X-Max. It's a pretty standard toolkit. It wasn't probably like 20 bucks. So there you have it. I originally wasn't gonna make an unboxing video for this, but I mean, I went on YouTube and I pretty much couldn't find anything for an Unassembled Kit unboxing video, so I decided to make one, and I will probably make a time lapse of me building it, but we'll see. I'm not sure yet. I haven't built an RC like this before, so probably will take a while, and should be pretty fun. And there you have it. That's everything that comes with it. And please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. You know, I'm a small channel, so haven't been making videos for very long, so I really appreciate that. More content on this and the X-Max and other stuff is coming soon, so thank you very much. Hey guys, so this is the next day, and I just want to say I'm really appreciative of anyone who has watched or liked my videos. I recently had one of my videos cross over 300 views. It's a shorts video. If you want to check that out, it's on my channel. You know, that's my first time hitting a milestone like that, so I just wanted to say I really appreciate it, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe. I currently only have 3 subscribers, so that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, I have a new video coming out on the Stampede whenever I'm finished building it. So be sure to look out for that, and thank you guys so much.